This is the Infinix Zero Ultra, the newest Infinix flagship phone. It is launched alongside with the Infinix Zero 20. The device sports a Core 6.8-inch 1080 pixel display with 120 Hz of high refresh rate, runs on Android 12, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset, houses a distant battery life of 4500 mAh, equipped 200 megapixel primary camera, and also comes with 180 watts charging brick that is worthy of powering the device from 0 to 100% in 12 minutes, according to Infinix. So guys, for you to know more details about the device and without wasting much of your time, let's vibe on. What's up guys, it's Charles here. In today's video, I'm going to review the Infinix Zero Ultra. So guys, if it's your first time checking out this channel, you are welcome. It's going to be much appreciated if you try to show your support by subscribing and also turning the notification bell on to always get notified whenever a new video drops. We are now chasing 500 subscribers and we hope to reach 2,000 subscribers before the year runs out. It's going to be possible with your support. The Infinix Zero Ultra was launched alongside with his brother, the Infinix Zero 20. It is among the latest devices to equip 200 megapixel primary camera. Wow, that's a nice innovation from Infinix. So this device comes with what Infinix called 180 watt thunder charge that can charge it up to 100% in 12 minutes. I haven't seen enough proof for that though, but the recent charging test I'd seen was within 18 to 19 minutes. Infinix Zero Ultra has this innovative texture matte finish that makes it look pretty and attractive, though it comes with two color variants like the Core Slice Silver and the Genesis Noir, but I do find the Core Slice Silver more attractive, to be honest. As for the display of the device, it sports a Core 6.8-inch AMOLED panel, 120 Hz of high refresh rate with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The refresh rate can be switched to 90 Hz on default settings. Powering the Infinix Zero Ultra is the MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset. It is a 6nm built-on process that is paired with an internal memory storage of 8GB plus 5GB of virtual RAM, which is a total of 30GB RAM with 256GB of ROM used for storing files and other stuff. There is no dedicated micro SD card slot for further memory expansion. Furthermore, the device comes with an octa-core processor CPU and AMOLED G68MC4 that allows users to play games on high or low graphics without having any glitch. 360 Hz of sampling rate and 120 Hz of high refresh rate are present for haptic response while typing and smooth scrolling on apps. Now let's talk about the camera aspect of the device. On the rear, there is a triple camera bomb setup with an LED flashlight present for brighter shots. The first huge camera module contains the 200 megapixel primary sensor with OIS picture. The second sensor is the 30 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and while the third sensor is the 2 megapixel micro sensor. Those cameras can record videos up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, and also they can take clear, classic and detailed photos. On the front, it comes with a portrait selfie camera of 32 megapixel that can record videos only on 1080 pixel resolution. The Infinix Zero Ultra comes with an under-display fingerprint sensor, and also it houses a distant battery capacity of 4500 mAh that supports 180 watts thunder charge. It charges up to 100% in only 18 minutes. That is if it's been switched off before charge. To purchase this device will cost you 383,000 naira here in Nigeria, which is $520. To be honest here, I will say the major selling point of the device is the curved display, the 180 watt thunder charge, and the 200 megapixel primary sensor. So guys, here comes the end of my review for the Infinix Zero Ultra. Tell me what you think about the device. Does it really worth buying? Like, does it really worth your money? Tell me your favorite feature on the comment section. Let's interact. Please do not forget to subscribe and also turn on that notification bell to always get notified whenever a new video drops. Thank you guys for watching and see you all on my next video. Peace out.